Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Boniface Nebo. I want to show you how you can quickly transfer sound from your TV to your home theater so that it will be booming. It will be booming, okay? Now, this is the place we are going to transfer the sound. Okay? This is the yellow, this is the white, and this is the red. Okay? So this blue color and the red color is the audio. So just remove two of them. The sound goes off the television, remaining only the picture. Now put it in the home theater. White to the red place. Okay? After inserting it, now come to home theater, change it to auxiliary. This is it. So the sound is now in home theater. So this is how to convert or remove sound from television and insert it in your home theater. It will be okay. So if you check here, because this decoder is the one sending out, is the one sending the picture, the audio to the television or to home theater. So you don't need to remove these ones, okay? But the only one you remove is the one from the television, the one from the TV. Yeah, thank you very much.